Welcome to my workshop. Bit messy. This is where a lot of my DIY stuff happens. That's an old scaffolding board that I'm going to do something with. But the latest project I'm working on is Soundwave acoustic panels. You know them wooden panels here that have the slots in like that. And they're quite expensive. Some of them are good ones. So I've got some used laminate flooring. That's what I'll be using, and my routing table. Incidentally, this table is a fold-out table, which I made myself. The legs and stuff. And also I made my studio diffuser, as you can see there. It's called a Skyline diffuser. And as you can see, I made these as well on the ceiling. There. So the sound panels will be going in the corners. That's a bass trap that's made. I'll take that off and probably replace it and put it somewhere else. Don't know how it's going to turn out, but I will keep you updated and see how it goes. Exciting, all that. Yeah. So I'll see you in another video, and hopefully it'll turn out well. And maybe my workshop will be tidier.
That cracks me up.
Or maybe not.